May time na ba sa career niyo na na-confront kayo ng boss niyo or kinonfront niyo yung teammate niyo?
Nangyayari kasi yung confrontation, palagi may context. Yun yung, I think, mahalaga dun sa confrontation. Because otherwise, it's just an act of aggressiveness. And yung context na yun, I want to highlight na sometimes kasi it's coming from the culture of the company. What's being tolerated? Why did I say that? I think two things. I was able to experience both. Unahin ko muna yung bad. Of course, doon ako. Parang may bad confrontation. Nangyari sa akin yun one time because of misaligned expectations. And I guess yun din, the delivery na parang, bakit naman ganito? Bakit ganito yung delivery? And to the point na, hindi ako makatingin sa salamin, guys. Afterwards, hindi ba tama yung ginagawa ko, etc. Gusto ko dun sa mga confrontation na respectful, sobrang okay nung pagkakaano. Hindi mo alam na confrontation siya.
Sabi lang.
Hindi mo alam na it was supposed to be a tough discussion. And I'm trying to do this now sa mga team members ko na I'm managing. No? I put structure into it. Like parang monthly, meron tayong performance review. It's a confrontation if you think about it. You're really confronting someone about their performance. But since it's structured, may updates lang. And at the same time, may structure siya, may expectations. Hindi yung sabi ako ng emotion ko sa'yo, mag-lashback ka sa akin, something like